Okay, with me is Robert Thompson from NXP, Embedded World 2025. Thus far, amazing show, Robert.
Amazing show, amazing weather for Germany at this time of the year. Totally enjoyable.
Yeah, absolutely. So, VeriSight introduced the different iMix9 processors. We have the iMix 91, 93, and now the new 95. How do you see those different iMix9 products from NXP point of view cater to different segments, different markets?
Good question. I think we see them cater to all the markets we focus on. So if you look at factory automation, healthcare, power and energy, building automation, we really see, because you've designed across our entire portfolio, catering to all those key segments. I think what we try and do with a portfolio is look at the many different usage models and really scale the portfolio from low power, lower price to the highest we can go within the ARM market. So I think with this portfolio that you referenced, we're able to scale together as partners really the entire major segments of the industrial market.
Amazing. The iMix 95, the new introduction into this family, is really a scalable processor, 4 cores, 6 cores, GPU. How do you see the future of the edge AI, and all the other features that are indeed coming from this new platform of the 95?
I think if you look at the 95, we're really trying to meet the needs of edge computing. So you mentioned machine learning, but let's not forget about how do you get that data into the device, connectivity, but then also how do you secure that device and that data in terms of on-chip security. So I think the 95, as you said, it's up to 6 cores, A55s running at up to 2 gigahertz. We've also got an M7 and M33 core to create a security island for SIL2, ASIL B. So you have safety, you have performance, but then as you mentioned, we've completely redesigned the vision pipeline with the EIQ Neutron NPU and the ISP from NXP that really allows people to have the right size version of machine learning for their devices. But then how do you get that data into the device? So we've looked very carefully at networking, so up to 10 gigabit Ethernet, PCI 3.0, USB 2.0. So really we've looked at the chip in its entirety, getting that data in through high-speed interfaces, and then the performance and the capability to process any type of data on the device itself.
Yeah, Robert, really appreciate, this interview, but more than that, we appreciate the partnership. So looking forward, to the next level. Enjoy your show, and thank you very much.
Thank you.